Hey everyone, welcome back to another session of Ansible. In this demo, we'll walk through setting up CentOS-based Ansible controller on Windows using WSL and configure it to act as a Ansible controller node. This approach enables you to manage remote Linux nodes directly from your Windows machine using Ansible. So before that, you have enabled WSL. So we'll see how we can enable WSL in Windows. So if we go to the control panel and click on programs and go to programs and features. Here you can see turn Windows feature on or off. So if you click this, I will show you. So if we scroll down and here you can see Windows subsystem for Linux. This one you have to tick mark, like check the box and click on OK and restart it. So I have already done that part. So after that, we'll install the CentOS. So I will provide the CentOS 9 in the comment, so you can download from there. The link I will provide. So I have already downloaded and I will extract this. So before that, if you open the Windows PowerShell and click on Run as Administrator. If we give the command WSL-B, so here you can see the Windows version is 10.0. So you need Windows 10 or 11 for installing WSL2. And if we check WSL-L-B, so I am going to install CentOS. So let's see. First, I will extract the file which I have downloaded. Go to the downloads. Once I will extract, I will show you. It's on my another monitor. So CentOS extract, browse, text box. So now we'll create a folder, new folder, give it name CentOS. CentOS 09. Now we'll go inside this folder and we'll copy this extract file sent. Now so now if we click this run as administrator, so it will ask for permission run anyway. Yes, so it start installing and see. So it's completed. Press enter. So if we go to the PowerShell, now if we give WSL list one, here you can see CentOS 09 is installed. So our next task is check this. So go here and we'll check the status of SSHD system CTL status SSHD. Now it's not up, first is down. So if you can enter like pi/etc/wsl dot conf. Here wsl dot conf. So I will provide this command also. Press I for enter for insert state. Now we'll save this. So follow all this step. Now we'll check the this status still down. So after that we'll go to the and first we'll exit from here and restart this and give WS then uh, like go to the CentOS, click this. Now you can check the status. Now it's running. You can see. So our next task is to install Python. So first I will clear the screen and first we'll check the Python version installed or not. Python 3 dash dash version. It's by default it's there. Now we'll install the Python 3 yum install py Python 3 dash py. So if we can check, yes. Now we'll check. First I'll clear the screen and check at 3 dash dash version. So here you can see 21.31 from Flash Visual Flash with Python 3.9. So in this way you can do sets now all the settings. So in the next video we'll see how to do SSH and all these commands. So that's all from this video. We'll proceed step by step. So thank you.